What if editing your videos were as easy as editing a Google Doc? I know that sounds too good to be true. I edited my last 10 videos with Descript. I just deleted words from a document and the video edited itself. Today I am about to tell you something every YouTuber is lying about. This tool is not the magic bullet they claim it is, but it might just change how you edit your video forever. So in this video, I will give you the raw, honest truth, the good, the bad, and whether this tool is actually worth your money, including two massive problems that almost made me quit using it. Okay, quick context. Descript is an AI-powered video and audio editor that's supposed to work like a Google Doc for video. Basically, you upload your footage, it automatically transcribes everything you said, and here's the wild part. You can edit the video by literally editing the transcript. Delete a word in the transcript, the video cuts that section, rearrange text, your video rearranges automatically. Watch this, I recorded some footage with tons of ums and uhs, and the script literally clicked one button and boom, it's gone. The video clip is perfectly cut. It feels like magic the first time you use it, but does it actually save time?
Let's find out!
Alright, first day with Descript. I'm going to be honest, the setup is stupidly easy. You sign up, create a project, and drag your video file in. It transcribes automatically. When I was looking at the interface, it was clean, it doesn't look scary, and within a few minutes I already understood the basics. The timeline is at the bottom, your transcript is on the left, and the preview is on the right. Compared to professional editing software, this feels much easier to learn. But at the same time, if you're someone who wants super advanced cinematic editing, effects, and complex animations, this is probably not the best tool for that. Descript focuses more on speed and simplicity. The pros, what is it famous for? Edit videos like text. This is the killer feature. Descript automatically transcribes your video into text. Then you can delete words or sentences from the transcript, and the video gets edited automatically. Honestly, this feels magical the first time you use it. For talking head videos, tutorials, podcasts, and faceless videos, this saves a lot of time. Removes filler words. Another feature I really liked is filler word removal. With one click, it can remove, and repeated pauses. This is super useful if you record YouTube videos or voiceovers, studio sound, audio enhancement. If you don't have an expensive microphone or you record in a noisy room, Descript has a feature called Studio Sound. Look at this example. It completely isolates the voice.
Thank you both again for having me. I can't tell you how much it means to me and my work, and I can't wait to share the show with my followers.
AI eye contact. If you look away from the camera to read your script, Descript's AI can literally adjust your eyeballs so it looks like you are staring directly at your audience the whole time. It looks surprisingly natural. AI voice cloning. Now this feature is both impressive and slightly scary. Descript can clone your voice. So if you make a mistake while recording, you can literally type the missing word, and AI generates it using your own voice. And surprisingly, it sounds very realistic.
We observed a significant 32% decrease.
For creators, this can save a lot of re-recording time. Automatic captions. If you make shorts, TikToks, or Reels, you'll probably love this. Descript can generate captions automatically. And the captions actually look modern and social media friendly. This saves a lot of editing time for short-form creators. Screen recording. Descript also has built-in screen recording. So if you make tutorials, AI tool reviews, or educational content, you can record your screen directly inside the app. AI B-roll suggestions. This is new. Descript's AI watches your video and suggests moments where you should add B-roll. It's not always right, but when it is, it saves time. Speaker detection. If you have multiple speakers, like a podcast or interview, Descript automatically detects who's speaking and separates them. Each speaker gets a different color in the transcript. So if you want to remove only your co-host's ums, but keep yours for some reason, you can do that. This is smart. Not groundbreaking, but smart. By the way, if you're not subscribed yet, now is a great time. I cover AI tools, software, and creator tech every week. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. The cons, the problems nobody talks about. Transcription accuracy. The transcription is good, but not perfect. Sometimes it misunderstands words, especially accents or unclear audio. so you still need to manually check things. Performance issues. Descript is heavily cloud-based for its AI processing. When working on larger projects, you will notice some lag and slower performance. Advanced editing limitation. If you're a professional editor who loves advanced transition and heavy motion graphics and color grading and cinematic effects, Descript can feel limiting. This is more of a creator-focused editor than a Hollywood-style editor. The learning curve. If you are used to traditional layer-based video editing like CapCut or Premiere, Descript's storyboard workflow feels very weird and confusing at first. It takes a few days just to get used to how it handles visual layers. Pricing, the reality check. It has 4 plans. Hobbyist, $16 per month. Creator, $24 per month. Business, $50 per month. Enterprise, custom. And if you need additional storage for your video footage, it is $10 per 500 gigabytes. So if you are a casual creator, the creator plan works because the free plan limits transcription to 1 hour per month. If you are posting weekly content, then you need a business plan. Is this for you? Use Descript if you make talking head videos, vlogs, tutorials, podcasts, care about clean audio, hate editing timelines, want captions without spending hours on them, record multiple takes and want to stitch them easily, want to fix small audio issues without audition, are a solo creator or a small team. Don't use Descript if you make fast-paced, effects-heavy videos, music videos, gaming edits, need advanced color grading or VFX, work with a large team on complex projects, need 4K/8K professional export quality, are switching from Premiere and expect the same features, edit documentary-style work with multiple tracks. How does it stack up? Descript versus Adobe Premiere. Faster for talking heads, more powerful, $24 per month, $22.99 per month. Winner depends on your content. Descript versus Final Cut Pro. Subscription but simpler. One time $299.99 purchase, full features. Winner, if you edit daily, use Final Cut Pro. If you edit weekly, Descript. Descript versus DaVinci Resolve, $24 per month, way easier. Free, surprisingly powerful. Winner, DaVinci Resolve is objectively better value, but Descript is easier. Descript versus CapCut, $24 per month, transcript based, free, simple. Winner, Descript for serious creators, CapCut for casual. Therefore, Descript sits in a sweet spot. Not the cheapest, not the most powerful, but the best for a specific use case. So, is Descript worth it? Honestly, yes. Especially if your main goal is speed, simplicity, and AI-powered editing. It's one of the easiest AI editing tools I've tested. It's not perfect, because there are limitations. But for beginners and content creators, this can seriously speed up your workflow. The final score for Descript is 8.5 out of 10. If you want to try Descript yourself, there's a link in the description. The free plan is worth testing before you commit to paying. If this review helped you, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel more than you'd think. Subscribe because I am reviewing video tools every month, and comment below which editing software you use and why. I genuinely want to hear from you. And if you are looking for other ways to speed up your video creation workflow, I have a full video on captions.ai. Check it out.
I'll see you in the next one.